Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Today, I'm going to be introducing iRacing to our channel. So, I am kind of working through getting the steering wheel set up for it. That's what I'm doing at this current moment. Let me go ahead and flip the screen around, show you what I've got. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So as you can see, everything here, from the lights, from all the modifications I've done, I've got the fan over here. I've got everything. It is a mess from the Xbox. I've got the PlayStation. I've got the PC. I have everything entirely set up here and my little relaxing chair. Now, I'm working on getting the PC set up. I do have to put it in PC mode. Oh, there it is. Oh, did I take it out of PC mode? I got to make sure it's in PC mode. There's PS4 mode. And it's just a bunch of different settings, going through every little thing. Now, I hopped into the Fanatec app on the PC, and it did tell me I have to start a session. There it is. Okay, so I have to start a session here. Let's get out of that. Let's do test drive. So here are exact instructions. Start a session in iRacing. Open the options window in the top right, go to miscellaneous, so on and so forth. Okay, done. I just had to update it. So let's do test drive, launch sim. So it's going to load, but then we'll look for external displays section on the left, and then select the wheel shift indicator to unchecked. And then once we get that, we can mark it as done. But that's what we're doing today, is we're getting everything set up because I want to introduce iRacing to the whole series. I've already bought a bunch of tracks. I've already bought a bunch of cars. I've already paid for a year in advance. So I've dropped an entire, I'm not even kidding, $200 on iRacing. So I have to get it set up. We've got to start getting some progress done here. I've got the dual monitor set up, so if I wanted to, I can have other stuff set up. And what I'm doing right now as well is getting videos uploaded for the channel as well. Now, this is, give me a minute as it loads us in, and we're going to go through some as I talk some more. Let's see here, configure. Oh my goodness, I'm getting only 20 FPS. This is awful. Okay, oh, there's 30. Okay, that's a little bit better. So, I don't even remember what it said. Let's move this. Can we move? No, we can't. Hang on. Let's move this over to the other computer here. Bam. Let's expand that right there. Oh, that's too big. That's good enough. Okay, let's move back to iRacing. So, click here. Let's go settings. So we have to go to options. Now let's continue the calibration. So we're going to calibrate everything. We're going to turn the steering wheel fully way. Oh, it's actually kind of hard. Is it even? It's not even detecting. Is it working over there? No. I gotta make sure I'm in the right mode. Anyway, give me a second. Just say it. It'd help if it was plugged in. Because I just got done recording a ton of content on the PlayStation. Also, just take a moment to appreciate what I've got set up here. That's my recording stand, tripod. Yeah, okay. Hop into cockpit here. Okay. So now we're going to turn the steering wheel. Well, now it doesn't want to. Still not doing what I needed to do. I'm plugged in. Well, we've got to restart the PC. Yeah, even though I'm downloading stuff, I still need to restart it. Because I got all this set up, and oh my goodness. When it's on a PC, there's a bunch of restarting and so forth. Okay, so I've got it all set up. Not that you're going to be able to hear what I hear, but these shifts are crisp. Now, hang on. Let's do this. Okay, because I'm super excited. Let's see. Yeah, that's a lot better. I've got it set up to 12 Newton meter of torque at the moment. This is a lot better than the two that I was receiving yesterday. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Oh, it kind of loosens there. That's it. Now I've got over there, you can see, but also over here. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, I know it takes a lot to get into it. Like, I'm not even kidding. I know I'm speaking pretty loud. Yeah, it takes so much to be able to get into iRacing to start. Like, obviously, you've got the whole, sim racing set up. You got to have everything compatible, which for the most part is. Oh, I need an alignment. Anyway, hang on. This is awful. Let's go ahead and reset. Oh, come on. Reset. Okay. Yeah, my alignment was off bad. So, as it cuts down the screen. Perfect. Okay. So, I need it to be full screen. Where's my full? Anyway, technical difficulties. I'll figure all that out later. But I know there's a lot to be involved. Just to kind of tell you what it's taken me a little bit. Obviously, I already had the PC. I had a... Okay, there's something up with this screen I don't like. Okay, let's retry this. Hang on, I'm going to reset all this. There's my iRacing. Okay. Anyway, as I reset this, kind of going through everything, this is so difficult because I've not done it before, and I'm not screen recording because I haven't figured it out yet. I know there's a lot of software and stuff, so if y'all have got any recommendations, definitely let me know. But so far, we've got, kind of POV. Now, anyway, I've spent, obviously, $200 just getting the game set up, which I've mentioned already. $200 in tracks and cars, or $100 in tracks and cars, and $100 for like a year worth, whatever. Not to mention, it cost me $500 to upgrade my PC because right now RAM and SSD are stupid expensive. But it is what it is. Now, or at least that's what I told myself. Tech inspection, test. Let's hop in here. This is literally, I've not even done this that much. I'm not even joking, but I'm in the C8R. I know I'm going too fast for pit lane. Let's try and not wreck. But I've got Newton meter up to 12. This motor can handle 15. Let's try and not require alignment soon. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm just saying, like, it's a lot different than Gran Turismo overall. And I'm still figuring out all these settings. Oh, I'm sure I've got damage, buddy. It told me anyway. Oh, it's very slow. I mean, I'm put on the throttle. Oh, I need an alignment. Whew. I'd love to be able to look at the car. I just don't know how to figure that out yet. Okay, I guess we can look at the car there a little bit. I lost my wing. I lost everything. Let's hop back in. We're just playing with this a little bit because I need some content for tomorrow, and it's going to take me a while for everything else to upload to the iCloud. Okay, let's see if we can't get one lap around this track, and we'll end the episode. Or the video, I guess. But this is our introduction-ish into iRacing. Not the full introduction. I'll do an official introduction, but... Ooh. I was way too hard on the brakes. It is not this hard on Gran Turismo. Holy crap. Now, once again, I'm not racing this car. Already? My goodness. I can't seem to manage. Oh, I did. Okay, I did go pretty hard. Okay. There's that whip around. I might customize the car at some other point. I do love the sound of the crisp shifts. When I figure out how to screen record and make it where you can have audio, trust me, I will. Because it sounds so good. And I love the little lighting I've got down here. I can even set it up where it moves with the game. And I'll do that in another video. Because it works better with the PC than it does with the PlayStation, I'm not going to lie. Come on. Got some damage, I know. Oh my goodness. So my first experience with iRacing, and I didn't even realize it. I just know it looked weird and the graphics were off. And frankly, my graphics look better than the ones I was looking at on this test simulator. Was at Podium 1, not far from where I work, but it's pretty cool. I swear, if he says you got damage, I'm sure. I got wheel damage. Okay, we're going to get one lap around this daggum track. Even with a damaged car, we're doing it. We're doing it with a damaged car. Come on. See if we can't do it. Come on. Plus, I want to be able to get more karting time. Oh, karting's so much fun. Plus, so is this. This is a lot of fun, too. I really enjoy this. Now, oh, God. I'm sure my brakes are screwed up, too. Huh? I don't even know I don't know what that means yet. I mean, I got a black flag. I don't know what that means. I got so much to learn. It's shaking. Well, we got one lap around. Ish. Okay, let's do a reset. Let's boost up that the Newton meters a little bit here. Let's see here, because I saw it at 12. Yeah, 12. I can go with it says 60. How much? Yeah, 60. Oh, well, huh? I'm so confused right now. It said 12. I'm not exactly sure. Let's do detect. Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's try this. I wonder what this does. Let's test it. We're doing a little bit of test fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is shaking. I am so curious at what this is going to do. Oh, God. Okay. Yeah. Now, I know that this motor can handle 15 Newton meters of torque, and I feel like that's what it's giving out right now. Oh, this is putting it to the test to another level. I'm not even going that fast. I'm only going 70 miles an hour. My Lord. Ugh. Oh, well, there we go, off the track. Go. Hang on, wait a minute. I want to see something. I know this is going to be bad, but just watch. Hang on, I'm going to turn on. Oh! Boom! Oh, God. Let's do it. Come on. If we spin out, we're going to spin out. Okay, just good fun, but that can be very painful if you do it wrong. I'm surprised you didn't say you get. Oh, I'm sure I do. After that, I'm sure I do. Okay, let's take it in. Oof. Now, I'm not sure if this is, I'm almost sure it's not 60 Newton meter torque. That'd be hell. But I got to say, it is still pretty strong. Let's turn the lights back out. Ah! Oof. Oh, well, there we go. Ugh, into the wall we go. Well, there goes my alignment. Yep, I know. Let's see if we can't get back to the pits. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I don't think I'm gonna make it back to the pits, man. Ooh. My car's not turning now. Yeah. If I would have done this in Gran Turismo, I'd be so fine right now. I am fighting this thing. I'm not trying to cut the course. I'm just trying to stay on it. It keeps giving me this error message. This is my alignment now. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's get to the pits. Well, I'm curious what my car looks like at the moment. Oh, I'm sure. It keeps telling me I got wheel damage. I got all this damage. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I'm going to turn down that. Yeah. Ooh. Yep. I got too much camber. Okay, we're going to turn this down and we're going to end it out for the night. But that was a lot of fun. I haven't had that much fun in a while, just doing something stupid. Okay, let's turn that down a bit. I know I can go up to 15 Newton meter. We'll shoot it back down to 12. There we go. Okay. Apply and close. That'll end it for the night. But Daytona's so much fun. I gotta really get into it though. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed me kind of just having some fun there. I do appreciate y'all for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this kind of second introduction of iRacing. Anyway, I'm going to do kind of more of an official one, which will kind of be short. However, once again, thank you again for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.